Hello everyone. RRB Technician Key Answer Shift 3 December 23. What is the maximum amount of collateral free credit available under the PM Vishwakarma Yojana? The answer for this question is 3 lakh rupees. What is the India score on the 2023-2020 Sustainable Development Goal Index? The answer for this question is India's score on the 2023-24 Sustainable Development Goals is 71. 71 is the correct answer. When was the representation of the scheduled tribe in assembly constituency of the state of Goa bill introduced in parliament? The answer for this question is 5th August 2024. Who is the current CEO and managing director of the BrahMos Aerospace? The answer for this question is Dr. Jaitit R. Joshi, appointed as the CEO and managing director of BrahMos Aerospace. BrahMos Aerospace के वर्तमान CEO और प्रबंध निदेशक MD कौन है? डॉक्टर जयतीत और जोशी है. What is the current repo rate of India in fixed by RBI? The current repo rate in India fixed by RBI is 6.50. भारत के वर्तमान रेपो दर कितनी है जो भारतीय रिजर्व बैंक द्वारा निर्धारित की गई है? 6.50 है. Who won the 2023-24 Santosh Trophy final between Services and Goa? The answer for this question is Services won the 2023-24 Santosh Trophy final by beating Goa. Santosh Trophy related to the football. संतोष ट्रॉफी फाइनल में सेवा और गोवा के हारकर किसने जीता है? सेवाओं ने जीता है. Who is the current Director General of the Indian Coast Guard? The answer for this question is Parmesh Shivami is the current Director General of the Indian Coast Guard. भारतीय तटरक्षक बल के वर्तमान महानिदेशक कौन है? परमेश शिवानी भारतीय तटरक्षक के वर्तमान महानिदेशक है. What happens in reduction process in chemistry? In a reduction process, a chemical species gains electrons or decreases its oxidation state. रिडक्शन प्रक्रिया के रासायनिक में क्या होता है? रिडक्शन प्रक्रिया रासायनिक के इलेक्ट्रॉन्स प्राप्त करती है और उसका ऑक्सीडेशन अवस्थ करती है. What is the force called that acts on object perpendicular to a surface? Force acts on object perpendicular to surface is called the thrust. Thrust is the correct answer. वहाँ बल जिसे एक वस्तु की सतह के लंबात कार्य किया जाता है उसे क्या कहलाता है? उसे थ्रस्ट कहलाता है. What is the SI unit of the thrust? The answer for this question is SI unit of the thrust is Newton. What type of solution is face cream is example of? Face cream is an example of emulsion. What is emulsion? Emulsion is a colloidal solution in which the dispersing medium disperses the phase or liquid. Emulsion is the correct answer. Next question. फेस क्रीम की किस प्रकार का गोल का उदाहरण है? फेस क्रीम एक इमल्शन का उदाहरण है. इमल्शन क्या है? इमल्शन एक कोलाइडल गोल है जिसमें वितरक मध्यम और वितरीय अवस्था होती है. What are some example of alkanes? Some of example of alkanes are methane, ethane and propane and butane. What happens when limestone is heated? Limestone is decomposes into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide when it is heated to process called thermal decomposition. Thermal decomposition is the correct answer. What is produced when a metal reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid? Metal reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid. Hydrogen gas is produced. The answer is for this question is hydrogen gas is produced. What does Ohm's law states? Ohm's law states that the electric current through a conductor is directly proportional to the voltage across the conductor as long as the temperature and other physical remains constant. The correct answer for in the exam is Ohm's law. ओम का नियम क्या कहते हैं? ओम का नियम कहते हैं कि एक चालक के माध्यम से विद्युत द्वारा उस चालक के पर वोल्टेज की प्रत्यक्ष अनुक्ता होती है जब तक तापमान और अन्य भौतिक स्थितियों को स्थिर रहती है। What is the chemical equation? What is the equation for the Ohm's law? I is equal to V by R. I is the current, V is the voltage, R is the resistance. Current is measured in ampere, voltage is measured in volt, and R is measured in ohms. Plastids and mitochondria are organelles present in the eukaryotic cell. They both have their own DNA for protein synthesis. What type of tissue present in the mouth of and esophagus? The answer for this question is squamous epithelium tissue present in the mouth and esophagus. मुंह और आहार नाली esophagus में कौन सा ऊतक पाया जाता है? The answer for this question is simple squamous epithelium ऊतक पाया जाता है. Magnesium and manganese are the only metals that reacts with very dilute nitric acid to produce hydrogen gas. The answer for this question is magnesium and manganese. Which component of blood is helps in blood clotting? The answer for this question is प्लेटलेट्स हेल्प इन ब्लड क्लॉटिंग. खून के किस घटक की मदद से खून का थक्का बन जाता है? प्लेटलेट से खून का थक्का बन जाता है. व्हाट इज absent और वेरी स्मॉल इन मेरिस्टेमेटिक टिश्यू? द आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज वैक्यूल इज absent और वेरी स्मॉल इन द मेरिस्टेमेटिक टिश्यू. हाउ मच एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर इज रिक्वायर्ड टू कन्वर्ट ड्राई आइस इनटू गैस? ड्राई आइस गैस बदलने के लिए कितनी वायुमंडल दबाव की आवश्यकता होती है? 1 एटमॉस्फेयर इज द करेक्ट आंसर. What is the number of atoms in glucose molecules? The answer for this question is glucose molecules. The chemical formula for glucose is CC612O6. 24 atoms is the correct answer. There are 24 atoms present in the glucose molecules. Which hormone is responsible for physical changes in female during puberty? The answer for this question is estrogen is the hormone responsible for physical changes females in during puberty. स्त्रियोजन एस्ट्रोजन का शारीरिक बदलाव के लिए जिम्मेदार होता है. What is the general formula for alkanes? The answer for this question is CnH2n plus 2 is the general formula for alkanes. Thank you for watching. These are the key answers for RRB Technician December 23 third shift.